Hello there. In this video, we will see how to upload Excel file, CSV files into Silzila, how to create dataset out of the flat files and how to create charts with this dataset. Most of the times we will have data in the form of CSV or Excel files. So it's very much essential for a casual data analysis to upload data from Excel and then visualize the data. This is the Excel file we are going to upload. It's a supermarket data set, and this is the CSV file which contains lookup data or dimension details of store information. Now I am in Silzila app homepage. I will go into a sales folder. I will click new button and click flat file to upload the new flat file. So after clicking that, I have three options to choose: CSV file, JSON file and Excel file. Now I'll select Excel and choose a file, and I'll select point of sales file and give select and just upload. So for Excel file, I'll get the option to choose the sheet names. So in this file I have sheet 1 and sheet 2. My data is in sheet 1. So I'll go to the application and I'll select sheet 1 in the drop down and give OK. So by default it will auto infer the data types. Let me rename the table names. By default it will give a table names and I can change it. So if you look at it, order timestamp, it has inferred it as text, but I will change it to timestamp and then let me proceed. So all other data types are fine. I can, if I want, I can rename the columns also, name also. So the preview is good, and let me go ahead and save. And I will select a workspace to save the table. Now the flat file is Excel file is saved successfully in this folder. Let me add another flat file as well, which is the store one. Instead of Excel, now I will upload CSV file. I will choose the file, which is store.csv. This is the same file which I showed you earlier. And let me upload it. So the data types are good and names are good. Let me save it. I can, if I want, I can change the name of the table. Let me select a workspace. Yeah, so these are the two files we just uploaded. Now I will create a data set out of these two flat files. So I have option to create data set out of DB connection also. Let's say I connect to a Postgres or Snowflake database and I can create a data set also. But now in this case I will just create data set out of this flat file. Let me give OK. So in this workspace, these are the two flat file data available. These two files we are just uploaded, point of sales and store. Let me choose to view the table, preview the table, and let me preview store data also. Let me add these tables into the canvas so that I can create connection between these two tables. How do I create relationship? The store ID is same in both tables. So let me drag that and drop into another table. Now I will select the relationship. Its cardinality is unique. This is a master table, so every row is unique, and point of sales is a transaction to, so it has the rows repeated, and I want to keep only the matching rows. And I'll give OK, and let me give a name and save it. And let me select a workspace to save the data set. Okay, so here are the flat files, and here is the new data set we just created. Let me create a playbook out of the data set. Let me choose the data set. This is the data set we just created. Yeah. So if you look at the bottom left, here are the two files and here is the data set. Let me create a bar chart. Click the bar and drag sales column into measure, and in the store table let me add region into dimension. Here it is, we have bar chart created, and if I want I can change the aggregation type also. So so far we have seen how to add flat files and how to create data set and how to create chart out of this. You can watch other videos on how to add different charts and filters to create dashboard. Thanks for watching the video.